Hi guys, we can probably call this cooking Grandad style. Nanny's on holiday for a week, so I've got to look after myself. I've got ham and cheese tortelloni, or whatever. This is 2 servings in here, so I'm going to have to cut it in half. It says, bring a pan of water to the boil. Add salt if desired. Add pasta, return to boil and simmer for 5 minutes. Drain and serve. Okay. Get this open first. Right, because it's 2 servings in there, I'm guessing I'll have to put this back in the fridge and have it again tomorrow. Right, that should be about half of it, I think. One more for luck. I'll cover that and put it back in the fridge. I think we can stop filming for a while that boils. Oh, I could set the timer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Right, timer's going. That's me 5 minutes boiling. How are we going to do this? Let's just move the camera over here. Okay, that goes in there. Then a bit of pesto apparently. Pesto alla Genovese. Right, well that's my meal. Well, you saw me cook it, but you can't see it this way round. For some reason people like watching mukbang videos. Something completely new to me until I started watching YouTube. Mukbang is just you sit there and watch me eat my food. Maybe talk at the same time. So that's what I'm going to do. Obviously you shouldn't talk with your mouth full, so how does this work? I've got some bread. Did a video a little while back making crisp sandwiches. That is bread and butter and what we call crisps in the UK. Apparently other parts of the world call crisps chips. And what we call chips, most parts of the world, or other parts of the world, call fries. Okay, fair enough, we can live with that. But what I'm doing here is I'm making bread and butter so I can have a sandwich with my tortellini, was it? I wouldn't know. Pasta. Pasta with stuff in it. Ham, I think. So there you go. Like that. But now I can't talk. I don't follow these mukbang things. Seems counterproductive. Yeah, I do rather like putting things in bread and butter. Shouldn't do, because that just bulks it up. So I can put on a few pounds just on bread. You know, my table's always in a mess. This is supposed to be our dining table. But I've got so much junk upstairs in my workroom, I can't even get in there. I had to clear a space in there so I could get the 3D printer in there. But I have to lean over things to put things on the printer. So that's pretty hopeless. Now, my wife is on holiday for a week with one of my daughters. So I was rather hoping that I might make an effort and do a bit of tidying. That'll confuse her when she comes home. But I'm not sure which is most important, tidying off the dining table or clearing some space upstairs in the workroom. And I don't know where I'll put stuff if I try and clear stuff. I could try and hide it up in the loft, but there's already stuff hidden up there anyway. I could try and clear some of the stuff out of the garage and then hide the stuff in the garage that's up in the workroom, and then move the stuff from the table here up into the workroom. .3D printed boats, been working on them just because I wanted to see if I could print them of my own design. I've used other people's designs, but I thought I'd have a look at this. So there's 3 of them on the table. grandson made this little kit when we were on holiday, little electric car. I was thinking I might make it radio controlled, but I'd have to put steering on it. It doesn't have any steering. Only radio controlled just for the fun of it. It won't be very practical. So how do these mukbangs work anyway? Why do people find it interesting to watch somebody else eating? Doesn't seem right to me. In fact, it just seems impolite to sit there and eat and chat. Got ice cubes in that drink and I keep crunching on them. Treat myself to one more piece of bread and butter. I suppose technically I could have done this as a live stream. That'd be even worse. I'll be trying to answer people's comments and eat at the same time. I can see from the creator's point of view, it's an easy video. You just sit there and eat. Sit there and eat and mumble at the same time. Sun's going down out there. Quite a peaceful evening. (7:30) at the moment. Saturday the 22nd of August. Just realised I could have told you about my new camera. Got one of those wildlife cameras. You're supposed to stick out in the woods somewhere in the dark and get infrared pictures. Not impressed with it so far. Could be that I'm using it wrong. So I've tried to do 2 review videos on it so far, and I've stopped partway through them because I've just been getting annoyed with it. It's just, at this moment in time, my opinion is it's rubbish. It's supposed to be HDR, and that's supposed to be HD video, 1920 by 1080, which I think we're filming on at the moment with this. This is my Samsung Galaxy, and I had a look at the video playback from it, and it was rubbish. It's no better than the stuff on my little Hubsan quadcopter. It's that sort of level of resolution. I've checked the file. The file does say it's 1920 by 1080, but the actual video is rubbish. I've stuck it out tied to a tree stump in the garden at the moment, overlooking one of the darker areas of the garden where we have had rats in the past. So I'll leave it there all night and see if we get anything in the morning. Might get a cat, rat, hedgehog if we're really lucky. That would be nice. I'm just thinking about this video. This really is an easy way of doing a video, just sitting here and waffling. Because there's a good chance nobody will watch it anyway, so just because it's an easy video to do, it may not be worth watching. Not sure which channel to put it on either. Seems like the sort of thing that ought to go on my other channel, Grandad's other channel. It's a bit more sort of slow and relaxed, and it's not taking something apart or making it radio control. Anyway, that's it. I've finished eating. I'll do an end screen now. The way I do my end screens at the moment is I tell you where the little links will be, and then they'll appear afterwards, or maybe even while I'm chatting. But they give you 25 seconds to do it, if you do it while they're on the screen, and then that's the end of the video. So if I waffle a bit first and say there's something up here, something over there, something down there, and something over there, they won't necessarily be there at that moment in time, but they will appear there later. So up here will be a video that YouTube thinks you might like on my channel. Down here will be the link to my channel. Up here will be the latest video on my channel. And down here will be a related playlist. Don't know which one to use for this video. Anyway, they should be there by now. So that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching.